Hello student, once again I'm Sudhi. Welcome back to my video, and now we are going to solve the solution in exercise 6.4. And in 6.4 we are going to apply the division methods. Okay, so let us see, by division method we can find out the square root of a number. So how we find out the square root of a number by division method? Let us go here. Come on. Yes. So in this question number 1, exercise 6.4, question number 1, by division method we have to find out the square root. Okay. By division method, find the square root. Okay. Square root of the following. Yeah. Now you see here. Now please see here. We are going to use the division method here. So see, there are some more questions are there. Last question. So select some few and try yourself to learn about. It's not that we must do. Okay, we must know the concept. We must know how to do that. So I'm showing you 3 questions here. There is Roman number 2, 7, and 12. So Roman number 2, let us see. Roman number 2, we have 4,489, isn't it? So for that we have to do division method. How we do that? Go the bars 4, 4, 8, 9. So first what we have to do, first we have to group, or we have to pair the numbers. Start from the right side. So 9 and 8 we pair these two, and 4 and 4 also we pair these two. 2, 2 we pair it. After that we have to take these two numbers 44, and we have to see that this 44 is near with which square number? Which perfect square number? So let us think that, yes, 6, 6 the 36, 5, 5 the 25, 6 is the 36, 7, 7 the 49. 49 we cannot take in the division. This is more than that, we cannot take, isn't it? So we have to take less than. That is 6, 6, 36. So we take 6, 6, 36 here, isn't it? Yeah, 6, 6, 36 here. 6, 6, 36 we got here. Then how much we are having here? We have 14, that is 8. So we have to take the square number first. So 36 here. So 8 is not 96, 7 the 42. So we take not like that. Okay, we have to take the square number. We have to see the first pair, which square number is closed. So 6, 6 the 36 we got it. 42, yeah, 42. 42 is there, 6, 7, 42. So we cannot take 6, 7, and 42. And we are going to take the square of a number. Square of a number 6, 6, 36. So we got here 6, 6, 36 here. Then after that, how much we get here? 8 here. So 8 remainder. So we have to bring this 8 together here. So here 8, 9. We got here 8, 8, 9 here. And then what would be the number to before this? Just think that. Remainder 8 is there, so with what number we are going to divide this? We are going to divide this 8 by the double of this person, first person here, 6, 12. 12 cannot divide 8. We have to bring down this 9. So, as per that, let us see that 12 is 12 can be divided. We have to take one number here. One number that if you multiply with the same number, we have to get the number here. See 12 is not going to divide here, we have to take one more digit here. So that digit will be multiplied with the same number. For example, this 12, we have to take another number, let's say 4. Then 4 have to multiply here, isn't it? So whether we take 4 here or other number. So whatever. For that number, we will take a square number. We have to take a square number, a number here, a digit here. We will take a digit here. That square of the digit will near to this digit 9. There is 4, 4, 3 3s are 9. So 3, if we take 3, it is very far. If we take 3 here, and 3 3s are 9, 9 is 9, and 3 2s are 6, 3. Very far. So we cannot take this 3 here. This is so small, isn't it? By the method of division, we cannot take this 3 here. So we take another number that digits will be same as the digit here. The square, the last digit of the square will be same as the digit here. That is number 7, isn't it? Let us take number 7. So 12 and 7. We take 7 here. So 7 7 is 49. 9 and 9 they are same, isn't it? The last two digits are same, 9, 49, and this 9 is same. So 7 7 49, we take 7 here. So let us take 7 and multiply it. Square. So this is square. Because the square. Like this kind of digit we have to do. Here also 6 6 36. So choose the 12 and we have to take a number. So the square of the number, the square of the digit will be taking the last digit as 9. We take 7 7 7 to 49. 7. So let us see. 7 7 to 49. 4 in hand. 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 1 in hand. 7 9 7 8. We got here 8 8 9. So if we take 7 here and multiply with the 7, this 7 is here and this 7 multiplied will be possible. Isn't it? Yes. Then we got here 8,889. Then 0. Finish. So what happened? Therefore, square root of 4489 is equal to the number here. What is that? 96. So the square root of 4489 is 67. Okay. Now get this like this. Equal to root over 67 into 67. That means square over 67 is. This is 67 square. You know, these two we can cancel, and we are here only 67. 67 is the answer. Like this, let us see. 5 7 7 6. We got here. Look at this. 5 7 7 6. Then here, these two and these two are paired, isn't it? 57. So we have to take a number whose square is near root 57, isn't it? 5 5 is 25, 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64, 8 cannot take, we will take 7. 7 7 is 49. Then how much we get here? That means we are getting here 8. Yes. And then let us see what number we will divide this. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14, isn't it? Then we have to take one more digit here. That's square. But 14 cannot divide this 8. So what we have to do? We have to bring down this 76. Isn't it? Then we have to take one number here so that the square of the digits will be same as the last digit of this 6. The square of that number will also must have the same digit as the last digit. Here, 6. 6, which number could be there? 6 4 6 is 6 6 36. 1 is here, and 6 36 is there. And one more is there again. 4 4 is 60. Think about the 4. Let us try 4 and multiply here. 4 4s are 60. 1 in hand. 4 4 is 16, 17. 1 in hand. 4 1 is 4. That's not possible here. 4. So now what we have to do? We will take 6 here. 14 and 6 here, then multiply with 60. 6 6 36, 3 in hand, and 6 4s are 24. 25, 26, 27, 27, 646, 86. Now we can here 876 by taking 7 here and multiply 7. Now we can here 876. Now divisions over here. So therefore square root of 5076 is equal to 77. That's right. Likewise here, you see here 90, then here. So these two pairs and one 9. 3 3s are not remaining. Isn't it? Yes, not remaining. Here, my dear student, so my dear student, you know that these two zeros are remaining here. So two zeros, whatever the square root will take only 1 0 with division. In the other division, we take the whole zero, isn't it? No, here we take only 1 division because of the square. Okay, so two zeros are remaining here. So these two zeros will be divided here with 3 is 9. So therefore, square root of 900 is equal to 30. Answer is. So this is the question number 1 solution. Now let's go to question number 2 solution. Okay. So hello student. Next we have the question number 2. In question number 2, we are going to find out the number of digits of the square root of the given number. If we take the square root of this number, so that square root, how many digits will be there? 1 digit or 2 digits? We have already discussed it in the introduction or in the explanation that I given before we start this exercise. So here this question is asking us to find out the number of digits of the square root of the following. Then let us see how we find. First of all, count the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch. It is odd digits. Isn't it? Odd digits. So this is odd digits, so what we have to do? Therefore, let not necessarily, and we know that. Therefore, n plus 1 by there is for 1 by n plus 1 by 2 is equal to n. How many n? Odd digits. N is odd digit, isn't it? Odd digit is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1. That is divided by 2. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 4 is there, isn't it? Then we got here 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So 3 digits number. So 3 digit number. So the square root is 3 digit. So the square root will be 3 digits. Like this only. It is even number n by 2. Okay, one more. 5, 6. Oh, sorry. This is 4 and 5 here. This is question number 4. Okay, question number 5. You see here, how many? It is even digit, isn't it? This is even digit. And n is even digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of digit is even digit. So what happens here? 4 n by 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of digit is 6. 6 by 2, that is 3. So this also same. So the number of digit will be 3 or 3 digits. So we will write the square root. The square root will be of 3 digits. Like this, the answer is. So let's go to the next question, question number 2. Okay. Now student, next is question number 3. And in question number 3, we are going to find out the square root of a very, very difficult number, decimal number. Decimal is there, then all are difficult. Not literally, very simple it is. My dear students, here we are going to find out the square root of decimal number. Here, these are those square numbers, so we simply there place the decimal. Here also, they are the square numbers, simply place the decimal. The process is same. The process is similar that we used in the division method. Okay, that we will do. Yes. Here first, 7.29, stuff like this. So here also we will pair the number. We will group the number. Okay, yes, we have. Start from here, this 2 and this 7. Single will do single. 7. We are going to find out this 7 is near which whose square or which square number. Square number 4 is square number, 6 is square number, or 9 is square. Yes, we know that 4 and 9 are there, which is close to 8, but 9 is bigger. We cannot take this 9 in the division, isn't it? We cannot take this 9 bigger. We will take the other square number, which is smaller than 7. That is 4. Sorry, 2. 2 2s are 4. Yes. 2 2s are 4. Now after that we get here 3. Isn't it? 3. So 2 2s are 4 we get here. Then after that we get remainder 3 here. But this 3 will divide by another number. Then we decide by this 2. We have to double this number. We have to double this portion. 2 2s are 4. Can 4 divide this 3? No. We have to bring down this 29. To bring down this 29, this point, this number will be here. Then we can bring down this 2 and okay. Now we can get 329. This 129 we are going to divide by a number. Okay. For that we need one more decimal here. So sorry, one more this here. So what this will find out? That this will be square and get the same number as the 9 on the last. For that, which number we can take? 2 numbers are there. We can take 1 are there to get this 9 as the last digit in the square. Yes, 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49. 3 or 7. 3 or 7. Let us see 7 or 3 we will take. So let's find out. 4 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 12. That's not possible. This is too small. Then we have to take 4 and 7. 7 7s are 49. 4 again. 7 4 is 28. 29 32. We got here 32. Yes, that means we take 7. Here is 7. Then we get 3 9 2 9 here and finish the operation. Now we get here how much? 2.7. So therefore the square root of 7.29 is equal to 2.7. Thus, the answer is this. Okay. Now, next let us see. Next number we have 31.36. 3136. That was the square number. Just put the decimal in between. We will have the same process. That is division method. That is 311636. Then we group 2 2. But the decimal number also will group 2 2. So 2 2 we are pairing here and first here we get 31. 31 we have to select which square number is near with 31. That is 5 or 6. 5 5s are 25. 6 is a 36. 36 we cannot take. We can take 5. 5 5 is 25. Yes. 5 5 is a 25. Okay. 5 5 is 25. See, this division method is not that we divide like we do in the normal division. It is a square root. So we have to take the square number. Square number of a number. Square of a number. That is 5 5 25. And we call dividends. Okay, yeah. We divide this 31 by 5 5 31 times. Because 5 525 is square number. So we take the square number in the division. Okay. First of all, what we have to do is 31. We have to see that 31 is near to which square number? 5 square or 6 square? 5 square or 6 square? 4 square or 5 square? 7 square or 8 square? Like this we have to see. So what happens 7 and then we cannot go very far away. We have to see that which square number is near this 31. That is 25. We know 25. 25, 525, we got it. And here, how much that? We got 6. We got 6 as a remainder. Then, then you see this 6 will divide by which number? 5 2s are 10. We got here 5 2s are 10, isn't it? Yeah, 10 will divide this 6. Possible? No. So for that one, we have to take this number, bring it down here. We have to take down this number here, we have to bring down this number here. To bring down this number, this point will go up here. Then we get this 36 now. Here, we get 636. 636 is now going to divide by 10, but not possible, so we need one more digit, a square number, so that a digit whose square is having the same digit of this last digit 6. We'll take a number whose square having last digit is 6. That is 4 4 is 16 or 4 4 is 16 or 6 is the 36. 6 or 4 over there. 6 or 4. 4 will see because 6 I don't. Let us 6. Because 6 is here, 6 1 6. Take 6. Okay. 6. 6 6 are 36. Isn't it? 6 is the 36. 36. 6 1 6. We got it. 6 3 0. You take 6. 6 is 36. 6 1 6. You get 366. So 106. 6 times, this is the 306, isn't it? We got it. So now, therefore, square root of 31.36 is equal to 5.6. The answer is. In fact, it is this square root of 31.36 is equal to over 5.6 into 8. 5.6 half. That means 5.6 square half. That means this two cutting and everything here. This is the answer. Okay, so like this, you try the other questions also very simple. At least 2 or 3 and 4 also you can try, but only 5 questions are there. Okay, after choice, do the other also. So let's go to the next question. Hello students, once again, now we have question number 4. In question number 4, we are going to find out that a number will be subtracted from this given, so that we will get the number as a perfect square. Means the given number are here not perfect square, so to make the perfect square we have to subtract some number. We need to find out the number. Okay, so what we will do here, let us see. And also asking that after you subtract, find out their square root. पहले वो नंबर को देखना है जो उसमें यहाँ से माइनस करेगा, माइनस करने के बाद जो परफेक्ट नंबर मिलेगा, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मिलेगा, तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है. दो चीज करना है. फर्स्ट टू फाइंड द नंबर टू बी सबट्रैक्टेड, सेकंड वी फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. Yes, that's right. So let us see, 402. So what will we do first of all? See, I'll give you one very simple example. For example, you see 5 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1. So if we subtract 1 from 5, for example 5 minus 1, and we get 4, then 4 is becoming a perfect number that can be divided by 2. So how will we find out? By division methods and remainder we subtract. That's all. We have to subtract the remainder. This you understand, isn't it? Yeah, we have to subtract the remainder. Yes. Now, by division method, you see 402. This 2, isn't it? 2, 2, 4. We got 0 here. So we got here 4. So what happened? My dear student, next how much we are having here? We are getting here, yeah, we are getting here, yeah, 0, and this 0 and this 2. So what number we are going to divide this number will be 4. 2 2s are 4. We have to double this number, isn't it? We have to double this number, 2 2s are 4 here. 2 2s are 4. We double the number here. So what happened by this? When we double the number here, we can put it to divide this. Yes, we can. How? Put 0, 0. If you multiply with 0 here, the 4 will get 0, 0, 0, and the remainder is 2. Yes or no? Yes, we get 0. So what happened? If you subtract 2 from this number, then number will become the perfect square. Let us see. Therefore, 2 must subtract, or 2 is the number to subtract. Or 2 must. 2 is the number to subtract from 402. That is 402 minus 2 is equal to 4, and then we get the number as 400. Now this 400 is a perfect square. Why? Because 2 zeros is there, the last digit. Where 2 zero is there, then it is a perfect square. Maybe in the very proper chance, in very high chance. Where 2 zero is there, then it could be a perfect square. It is a perfect square. We can take the square. Now square root. We are going to take the square root. So square root of 400 is 20. That's all. 2024. You may find it. Okay. Like this. Let us go here also. Yes. Here this. Yeah, 32. Yeah. 5. 5, 5, 25. Yes. How much remainder here? 12 is 7. Yeah. 7 is remainder. So 5, next 10. Isn't it? So we have to take this. How much number we can take here is let us get which is getting close to it. The square. Then 100, 100, 5, 6 times 6 times. This is 10, 6. 6 is 36. Then 600. Okay, let us take one more. The 7, 10. Then let us take one another. This is again 7. 7, 7, 49. 49. And here we get here 7. So we can take 7. Isn't it? Yes. Take 7 here and 7 here. This is 12. Then we get here 7, 4, 9. Then what is the remainder here? 1 is the remainder. You get 1 is the remainder. If you subtract 1 from there, then you will get the perfect square. It is. Yes. So therefore, 1 is to be subtracted. That is 3250 minus 1 is equal to 3249. You got it. 3249. Yes. So yes, we have here 3249. So now 3249 is going to be a perfect square now. Yes. Yes. Therefore, so square root of 3249. How much the square root is? Tell me. Everybody, tell me what square root of this number now? Square root of this number will be? Yeah, got it. 57. This is the answer. I just placed do the other also. Some questions are still there. 2, 3 questions are there. So that you will try. Okay. At least 2 or all 3. Now let us go to the next question. Yes, hello students, once again. Now here I am in question number 5. In question number 5, it is the question that asks you to find the least number, the smallest number or the least number that is to be added to the given number so that they become the perfect square, and also to find out the square. Like the question number 4. Question number 4 is asking to find out the least number to be subtracted. So the remainder is to subtract. That's all. Very fine, very easy, isn't it? But here what happened? We are not going to do much with the remainder, but something is there to do with the remainder. There only will stop. When we get the remainder, then nothing is there to do. But what happened? What we got in the cosines. Here we have to deal with the cosines. Before one is then we deal with the remainder. Remainder is to be subtracted. That's all. Now here we added. So we cannot add cosine, but we have to do something with the cosine. Let us see. See now, by using method, we try to find out the square root of this number. That is 1750. So these two we pair, this two we pair, these two we pair. 17. 17. Which square number is near with 17? Is a 4, 4, 16. Yes, 4, 4 is 16. That's all. 4 is just 16. 1 is remainder, isn't it? 1 is remainder. Then we bring down 150. 4 to the 8. Now 4 to the 8. What happened? What we can add here? One more digit so that we can divide this. Let us see. 0. So we cannot take 0, 80, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We cannot take 0. Okay. So what we have to do is that we take 2. 2. For example, 8, 2. 8 and 2. So what happened? 2 to the 4, 2 is 60. 164. We cannot take 2 even. We cannot take 2 even now. We have to take only 1. 1 to 1. How much we get here? Then we get 81 here. After the 81, how much we get here? We get here 9 here. Then we get 6. 69 is a remainder. 69 is remainder. We are not going to test the remainder now. What we have to do? We have to take this 41. Okay. Now, so 41 square. Okay, 41 square is less than 1750. But what happened? This number 1500 is less than 42 square. So this is shown as here square, here also square. Okay, 41 square is less than 1750, but 1750 is less than 42 square. So this number is in between these two numbers, this square of these two numbers. So what we have to find out? We cannot add again 69. 69 we will not do it. So what happened? We are going to find out the difference between the square of this, the difference between the bigger square and the number. This is smaller square, this is bigger square when we compare it. Smaller square, bigger square. Then take the bigger square. 42 square. How much is 42 square? You can check to your table in the middle of your books. Or otherwise I'll show you. 42 square. 42 square. In one row I'll finish calculation. 2 to the 4. Yes. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. One hand. 4 to the 17. You get here 1764. 1764 here. What you are going to do is that minus this number from here. This is a perfect number. Perfect square. This perfect square, okay, and this number. How much is the difference between these two numbers? That you have to add here. That's all. Therefore, 1764. Yes, 1764 minus 1750. That number is over here, isn't it? How much will they get? Just try to find out. That is 14. Now this 14 is the number to be added. 14 is to be added here. So therefore 14 is the number to be added. That is 1750 plus 14, that is 1764. This one. Then square root. Square root of 1764 is equal to how much? Yeah, 42 square. Sorry, square root square. That is 42. Also find the square root. Square root square. Perfect square is this. To add a number to this given is 14. After adding 14, you will get 1764 and the square root will be 42. Square root will be 42. Okay. So let me this number also the same. Now you see here. Now please you see here, we have 1085. So we will do the same method here. That is finding the square root. Try to find the square root here. Yes. Now you see here, my dear student, we got here number 1085 here, isn't it? Now after that, what we will do? Group. After grouping, we are getting here 18. First group. 18. Whose number? Yeah, 4 4 is 16. 4 4 16. Then we get here how much? 2. Then what number will divide here? 4 2 is 8. They cannot be 25. We now here together. Yes. Then what number we can take here so that it can divide this? So let us say 2. Multiply with 2. 2 2 are 4. Yeah. Let us see 8 2 multiply by 2. 2 2 are 4. Then 2 is a 4. 4 is negative, isn't it? 5 not that. You take 5 it will become very big. 5 4 400 or 4,000. Yeah. What if 400? No, 500. So 2 we have taken here. 2 to the 4. Then 2 to the 4 2 is 16. We get here 1643. What about 3? 3 multiply with 3. Then 3 is 9. Then here is 24. 24. No. 24. Yes. Yes. 24. So 24 is that is. Don't confuse now. This is 49 here, 25. We cannot take this 3. So we will take 2. So 2 multiply with 2. Then here how much? 164. Then 164 will be minus how much we will get here? You will get here 61, isn't it? Yes, 61. 1, 61, 12. Yes, 61 we get here. 61 is a remainder. So remainder is this here. So what we have to do? We will take this 42. Therefore, 42 square. 42 square is less than 1825. And this is less than again 43 square. My dear student, this number is in between 42 square and 43 square. Okay. So what happened? We will take this the bigger one and take the square of the bigger one and subtract this from there, like this here. Yeah. Therefore, this is so here. So therefore. 43 square, how much we get 43 square? 43 square, 42 square, 43 square, 43 square, 43, 43. 43. 3 3s are 9. 4, 4, 16, 17, 18. You get here, yes, the square of, actually 43 square minus 1825 होना चाहिए. That means 42 square how much we will get? 1849 minus 1825. Okay. That means how much we get here. If you subtract the number from here, then how much we get? We get here 24. Yeah, 24 we get here. So 24, if you add 24, then we will get the perfect square, isn't it? Therefore, the square root of 1849. Subtracting here, adding here. Then we have to add here, isn't it? Here, then we get the 2. We have to add here, subtracting here. So number is 24. You just understand that number is 24 to be added here. Okay, number is 24 to be added here, and we'll get the number 1049, which is the perfect square, and the square root of this number will be the same, that is 43. Like this. This is a working out. From here we go forward, isn't it? This number is between these two square, 42 square and 42 square. So we will not take the smaller one, we will take the bigger one. Okay. And from that the bigger square, we subtract this number, we get 24. So 24 is the number to be added. And we get this number, the square of this number here. If we add 24, you will get this number easily. Yes. So then the square of the number 1049 is 42. That's all. So this is the answer of the question number 5. And now let's go to question number 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 is also I am going to do for you because they are so simple. Only just think a little you can ask. Think little and you can ask. Yeah, I don't think I need to solve this type of question. Very simple. Only just try to understand the question here. And one question I just explain. The rest is okay. Okay. Question number 6. Let's go. Okay, students, I'm sorry. Question number 6 is I don't nothing to test there. There is no part I could test there. So, unfortunately, I'm very sorry. I cannot test the question number 6. It's totally for you. Okay, just see question number 6. Very simple. Nothing is there I could explain. But I will explain this question number 7. One part here. A, B is yours. A, you see here. In the right triangle. A, B, C, right? Right triangle. A triangle is there, right angle triangle. So our name is ABC, and telling that a triangle angle B is the right angle. Right angle at B. A right angle triangle is there, and right angle at B. Okay. Then just let us assume a figure in our mind. This is the right angle triangle, and here is the B. Where you want to name A, here or there, doesn't matter. A, B, C, two counts. He said that A, B is 6 centimeter and B, C is 8 centimeter. We have to find out the AC. So what is the AC? In this right angle triangle, please remember that the property of right angle triangle, there is, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find out the third angle, missing third side or missing side. In the relation of the side, we have studied about a right angle triangle. Okay, a property or a theorem or a theory that is called Pythagoras theorem, and we have done also Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet is just very big, but let us bring our mind to the Pythagoras theorem. Come back to Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is saying that the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the two other sides. Square of this is called hypotenuse. The side here is called hypotenuse. Why? The side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. Taking square on it will equal to the sum of the square of the other side. That means by Pythagoras theorem or theories, we have that AC square is equal to BAB square plus BC square. That much. So let's find out AC square. AC how much? AC square. AB how much given there? AB is given as 6 that is square. BC how much? 8 square. take the square of these two numbers. 6 is 36 plus 8 is 64. How much we get here? That is, you get here 100. 100 is a perfect number, you get the square number. AC will be over 100. Square will go here, isn't it? Square will bring here and it becomes square root over of number. Square यहाँ में डालने से square करेंगे, ठीक है? तो now we can here root over 100. 100 means a into a. That means over 10 to the square, 10 square. Square, that means square. How much is out? Now we can here AC is equal to 10 finish. Like this to find out the others. Okay, clear? So let us go to the next question. Next question I will go, not go. Next question, 8 and 9 is also yours. Please think with it. Okay? If you have really problem with that 8 and 9, please you can consult with me. I want to make you to think your mind here again and again. And I'm giving this 8 and 9 as the assignment of this week. Assignment of this week. So please submit this 6, 8, and 9 as assignment. The other is your practice. So in your practice, if you have any doubt, any difficulties to understand, please ask me, okay, by watching my video. So for today, let us end here once again. Okay, thank you very much. Let us end here for today's session. So with this, I want to end the session here. So here what we have learned is that we learned the method of division method to find out the square roots, isn't it? And also we find out some numbers to be added to become the perfect square, which are not perfect, or to subtract some number from the perfect from the non-perfect square so that they become perfect square. How we do is all with the division method. The division method, first of all, we have to pair the numbers, and after pairing the numbers, the first pair we have to look for that pair is close to some square number. Okay, that square we have to take. Okay, that number, square of that number we have to take, and we go on with this little idea. So for today we'll end here, and we'll meet again in the next video. Okay, so we'll see again in the next video, the same time, the same channel. Till then, have a nice day all of you. Bye bye. Thank you once again for watching my video.